Pigeon and the Crow. A short moral story. Once upon a time, there were two friends, a pigeon and a crow. One day, they were roaming together in a field. The pigeon said, "I have beautiful feathers and I can fly high." The crow smiled and said, "But I have the power to run fast." Both of them had a strong bond of friendship and a competitive spirit. So, one day, they decided to have a challenge to see who could reach the farthest. The pigeon flew swiftly, while the crow started running with speed. After some time, the pigeon got tired and perched down. But the crow didn't give up. It continued running with all its might. The crow saw the tired pigeon and said, "Friend, you are tired. I have won." The pigeon smiled and said, "Yes, you have won. It was fun for you to run. But we are friends, and in friendship, there is no winning or losing." Moral: in friendship and love, there is no winning or losing. The pigeon and the crow understood each other's strengths and celebrated their friendship. Thank you for watching.